Hey my loves, this is Miss Ree with JP Makeup Studio. I just wanted to do just a really short tutorial for y'all to show y'all how to add my Aerglo Glitter Palette to your makeup routine. I just recently launched my first customized palette made by moi. No third party involved. I take responsibility for all the products. It took me a minute to, get everything done and finalized, which I finally did. But I wanted to, share it with y'all and just show y'all how the actual glitters work. But in this tutorial, I always use the Clinique to line my brows, and I just used a Maybelline Studio Brow Pencil, and I am using the ColourPop Yes Please palette, and the colors that I started off with was Note to Self, and then I'm going in with GNO right now. After that, I'm going to use French Kiss, and then I'm going to top that with Spoiled afterwards, just to blend everything in. And then we're gonna actually do a cut crease for this look. And now for my cut crease, I just did this video real quick, so I wasn't really precise like I am any other time, but I always use the MAC paint pot in ochre. And I'm just I'll be taking a flat eyeshadow brush to go in and, to do that cut crease. But when you're doing your cut crease and you're not, I don't know if you, do YouTube videos or just whatever, or if it's your first time, just take your time. You don't have to be, just perfect, but especially if it's your first time, just take your time. And once you start to do it, a couple more times after that, you'll be a pro before you know it. But I like this because it's nice and thick, and also the eyeshadow that I'm going to lay on next, which is going to be the color Mischief. It's like a mustard yellow. It sticks right to it. And pretty much all of the eyeshadows that I use when I'm doing a cut crease, when I pack them on afterwards, they stick really nicely, and that's what I really like about using this. And now, just to blend out the outer edge, I'm going in with that color GNO, and I'm just blending it in right now with the yellow. And after this, it's gonna be glitter time, whoop whoop. Look at that, how pretty my palette is. And this color I'm using is the color Fireball. Now everybody always asks me, do you have to use glitter primer? No, you do not have to, not unless you want a super hold. I did want a super hold for this look. I did apply the Nix Glitter Primer before I added the glitter on, but it's optional. You don't have to use it. The glitters will stick and stay in place if you don't use the primer. But if you want a super hold, you can go ahead and use the primer before you add this on. And this color is like so pretty. And I'm just rolling with some 5D lashes. I really like these. I got them from my local beauty supply. I don't know the name, but I will put it in the description, so that way if y'all want to go out and see if your local beauty supply store has them, you can. The one thing I like about them is that they look really fluffy, but they are very light. They are very light. So, and with a lot of lashes nowadays, sometimes that band is so thick that it's uncomfortable. It doesn't even feel right on. With me, I like more of a thin band, something that's really light, because I don't like my eyes feeling really heavy. So I'm going to top this look off with a pink lip liner and just some lip gloss from Milani. I believe that's from Milani. Wait a minute, no. That's not from Milani. I'll figure it out and put it down in the description for this video. But that's my look, y'all. I really wanted y'all to see what the glitters look like. Go on to jpmakeupstudio.com/shop. Get you a glitter palette, child. You will not regret it. It is the bomb, the bomb, the bomb. Thanks for watching.